Hello class, my name is Jeremiah Clemens Adam. Today we are going to have some tutorials in mathematics. We are going to solve this problem in mathematics. But before then, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am Jeremiah Clemens Adam. Please, if you're watching directly on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel immediately so that you're going to be notified on my next post. So we are going to solve this problem. It says find the derivation of the given problem. So this is the problem given to us, and we are asked to find the derivation. Of course, you're going to agree with me that we are going to apply the quotient rule here. We are going to apply quotient rule to solve this problem. And what the formula for the quotient rule? We have the z, the x equals to v, the u minus u, the v all over v squared. So this is the formula for the quotient rule. So we are going to apply, use the formula to solve the problem immediately. So let u, we are going to set this, the numerator as u and the denominator as what? As v. So let equal to v x squared. So the u, the x, the derivation of u with respect to x now is what now? We have 2 multiplied by 5, 2 multiplied by 5. Then we have x raised to power 2 minus 1. Have you seen that now? So you're going to agree with me that 2 multiplied by 5 is what? 10. We have what? X. Are you getting me now? 2 minus 1 is what? 1. You're going to agree with me that 2x raised to power 1 is the same thing as what? 10x raised to power 1 is the same thing as what? 10x. That means what? X multiplied is what? 1 time. So we have what? 10x. So let v equals to this. Let v equals to 2 cos 3x. Let v equals to 2 cos 3x. So we are going to find the v, the x. That means we are going to find the derivation of v with respect to x. So how can we find that now? You're going to agree with me in that in mathematics, the derivation of cos, for cos theta is what? Is minus sin theta. So since we have this one, we are going to derive 2 cos 3x. So let's put minus first. Then we have what? 2 multiplied by 3. Then what now? Sin x. The derivation of cos theta is what? Minus sin theta. The derivation of what? Of cos theta is what? Minus sin theta. So that's why we have a little sign here. And the derivation of cos theta or cos is what? Sin. So we have cos theta, so I wrote this. And we have what? 3 multiplied by 2. Have you seen that now? So what do we have? We have minus 2 multiplied by 3 is what? Minus 6. So we have what? Minus 6 sine, okay, sine 3x. So the way we derive this one, we said what? The derivation of what? Cos theta is what? Minus sine theta. We have 3x here, that's why we wrote it here. And we have what? 2 multiplied by 3. So we have what? Minus 2 multiplied by 3 is what? Minus 6. Then what? Sine 3x here. So having known that, we are going to apply the formula immediately. We are going to apply the formula immediately. So let's apply the formula immediately now. Let's apply the formula immediately. So how can we apply the formula? How can we apply the formula? So we have the z, the x equals to, now instead of the z, the x equals to, instead of writing v, we are going to write what? The value of v. What was v? 2 cos 3x. Have you seen that now? 2 cos 3x was the value of our v. So instead of writing v, we will write what? We write 2 cos 3x. Now what is our du? Our du is what? 10x. We have 10x. So what next do we have? Minus. I getting it. Then what next we have? Our u. What was our u? Our u was given to us as what? 5x squared. We have what? 5x squared. What next do we have? 5x squared. We have what? dv, right? And our dv we got it as what? Minus 6 sin 3x. So we have what? Minus 6 sine 3x. What next? We have divided by our v square. What is v square now? V square, our v was given to us as what? 2 cos 3x. So we have a 2 cos 3x squared. So we are going to go right ahead to solve it. I get it now. So when you are solving problems in mathematics, I told you earlier you should take everything step by step, because each step carries marks. So we have the z, we get the x. 2 cos 3x multiplied by 10x is what? 20x cos 3x. I get it now. Minus 5x squared multiplied by minus 6 sine 3x. We have what? Plus minus 5x squared multiplied by minus 6 sine 3x is what? Minus is what? Is plus, right? So 5x squared multiplied by 6 is what now? 30x squared. And what next we have? We have sine 3x. Sine 3x divided by 2 cos 3x squared. Okay? We have 2 cos 3x multiplied by 2 cos 3x. That's what 2 cos 3x squared means. So we have what? The z, the x, equals to 20x cos 3x plus 30x squared sine what? Sine 3x. I just write it all over. Now this is the multiplication. So when we multiply this one, we're going to agree with me that the answer is what? 2 multiplied by 3 is what? 4. Cos 3x multiplied by cos 3x is what? Cos square 3x. So we have solved it. We have solved this problem. Okay? You're going to agree with me that there's something that can go in all the in the numerator and denominator. We can kind of divide it into a simpler form. Okay, let's factor out 2 from all inside. When we factor out 2 from everything here, what do we mean? When we factor out 2 from 20 cos 3x, we are left with what? 10x cos 3x. Now, let's write the addition, sign down. When we factor out 2 from 20x squared sine 3x, what are we left with? We are left with 15x squared sine 3x. So when we factor out 2 from 4 cos squared 3x, what are we left with? We are left with 2 cos squared 3x. I get it? 2 must definitely cancel 2. So our final answer is what now? Our final answer is 10x cos 3x plus 15x squared sine 3x all over 2 cos square 2 cos square 3x 2 cos square 3x. I get it. So this is the final answer to this problem. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am Jeremiah. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you are going to be notified on my next post. So when you are solving problems in mathematics, make sure you take them step by step. See you in my next video.